Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the red-eyed frog token. Ticker symbol is REEY. This token is number one right now in the top gainer section on CoinMarketCap. Right now they're up 1,348.91%. Doing amazing. This is an Ethereum token. You can find a full white paper as well with all the details on this token on CoinMarketCap. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So, this token is listed on a central exchange called Vindax, V-I-N-D-A-X. So you would download Vindax from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get it on your PC, your desktop. And you'd basically open an account on Vindax and then fund your account with either USDT or Bitcoin. It seems like 99.92% of the people are getting this token using USDT on Vindax as opposed to Bitcoin, so that's the more popular way to go. And yeah, you would just trade your USDT or your Bitcoin for the REEY token. You just search REEY on Vindax and then you'd find it right away. Now, this token, is up an extreme amount here, over 1,300% right now. Their official webpage is reey-token.io. According to their Etherscan, right now they have 1,945 holders, so almost 2,000 holders. Fully diluted market cap, $44,205,000, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply of 250 billion tokens. So yeah, they're doing very well here. Now, I haven't seen a full audit or anything right off the bat here, so just be aware of that. Now, sometimes tokens are up for bad reasons. Could be a honeypot, could be a scam, you never know. Let's just review their webpage real quick before we go over the info. I don't see an audit pop up right away. Now, there could be an audit on their socials somewhere. They do have a Telegram at Reey Token Group. They have a Twitter at Reey Token and Facebook at Reey Token. You can check out all of those if you like. Now, their white paper is not crazy long or anything like that. It is, let's see here, 8 pages long. So the red-eyed frog token paper presents an innovative project at an intersection of memes, finance, and conservation by combining the entertainment value of memes with the potential for financial growth and a commitment to wildlife reservation. The red-eyed frog aims to create a vibrant community that embraces laughter, fosters financial opportunities, and makes a positive impact on the environment. So the red-eyed frog token is an ecosystem designed to revolutionize the way we perceive memes and their potential for financial value. We believe in the power of humor and aim to leverage the popularity of memes to create an engaging community that not only enjoys meme culture, but also benefits from unique financial opportunities. The red-eyed frog token is the backbone of our ecosystem. Powered by blockchain technology, the red-eyed frog is more than just a meme token. It's a gateway to a world where finance intersects with memes with a limited supply and carefully designed tokenomics. This token is poised to create value and drive success of the project. The meme industry has witnessed exponential growth in the recent years. So by tapping into the market, the red-eyed frog token combines the familiarity of memes with the growing interest in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. So this is the token distribution here. So the allocation, 30% of the tokens are allocated to the public token sale event, enabling widespread participation and community growth. 20% of the total supply was reserved for a private sale and strategic investors or partners who contributed to the project's development. 25% of the supply was dedicated to staking programs, liquidity mining, and yield farming initiatives that incentivize long-term holding and active participation. So it's got community engagement. So our vibrant community is the heart of the project. 15% of the total supply is allocated to the project's development, covering operational costs, team salaries, marketing efforts, and ongoing enhancements. 5% of the total supply is set aside for a reserve fund to ensure long-term stability, address unforeseen circumstances, or support future growth initiatives, and 5% of the total supply is allocated to the project's founders and core team, driving the project's success. So they're going to have a meme marketplace and NFTs where users can buy, sell, and trade red-eyed frog-themed NFTs and digital collectibles. This marketplace creates a unique space for crypto meme creators, artists, and enthusiasts who want to showcase their work and participate with the growth of the digital art community. So there's going to be artist submissions. You can draw your own and submit them. There's going to be community engagements. They're going to have various initiatives, meme contests, airdrops, partnerships with meme creators, a lively, vibrant, interactive community. So they also have community incentives and sustainability, environmental commitment. So they're going to support environmental causes, contribute to charity. So there are roadmaps on here, starting with the token launch, marketing, contests, airdrops, meme creation, marketplace launch, NFTs. Then we're going to expand partnerships. And then, charitable initiatives. And that's basically it. So it's pretty much a meme token, but it does have a little bit of utility where they have like the charity, the NFTs, and the meme NFT marketplace, and the token. So that's basically all the utility, the use cases for this token. You can get this token on Vindax. You can find it in the top gainer section right now on CoinMarketCap. But again, I don't see a full audit. I don't see a KYC. So be aware of that thoroughly. Do your own research before even thinking about getting this token because you don't want to get rugged. Now, I am not a financial advisor. So why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.